Hi everyone, welcome to Hedgehog Hollow. Happy holidays. Now today I'm going to be showing you another part of our handmade holidays series. So if you're not already signed up and subscribed, hit that subscribe button, ring the bell. We've got some amazing arts and crafts DIYs ready for the holidays. Everything from handmade cards to homemade decor. You're going to love it all. But today I'm showing you something that is a complete hack because our Ali here in the office loves Disney and she really wanted a Minnie Mouse wreath, and we looked everywhere for them but it was super expensive, so I said I'm going to DIY one and I'm going to show you how because I'm a Disney fan too and I'm sure lots of you are. So I have this wreath here. This one was from Joann's particularly, really not expensive by the time you got coupons and sales on it, so I went for the more rustic effect. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take one of the pre-made bows. She picked this bow out, which was her favorite one, and I'm just going to glue it straight on. That's how easy it is. So you can take this, make sure I know where my hanger is because I want this at the top, and then I'm going to press it on. So whilst that's drying, now if you wanted to, you could trim these off if they're a little bit long for you, but we are going full out big bow Minnie Mouse on this project. And then the other thing I bought were these, and they actually come like this. Now the idea is you unwind them and they're a garland, but I'm going to leave them wound up because look how perfect they are as is. They have some little bells in them, they've got glitter in them. I mean, how perfect for a Disney Christmas. And the next thing we're going to want to do is actually glue them or put them on here like this. And I was going to glue them until I had an even better idea. So this is how it's going, and you can see there it's starting to look like Minnie already. So my bow is going on. I'm going to press it down from this side, and whilst that's doing that, I am going to cable tie these on. Now I was hoping I had black cable ties, but I couldn't find them. If you do, great. If not, I'm putting it on the reverse, so you're not really going to see it anyway. So I'm just putting it under this little join here, and then I'm going to put my cable tie around, and I've made sure that my cable tie, if it was the right way around, is right at the bottom where the two pieces of the garland would normally open. So that's going to keep it nice and closed. And then all I have to do is cable tie that on like this, and I'll grab my wire cutters and trim. There we go. And if I need to, I can always add some glue or an extra cable tie. Again, I'm going to find the end of where my garland would come undone. So somewhere around here it looks like. Again, I'm going to put it on a similar join on this side so it's nice and symmetrical. We'll grab another cable tie out here. Don't tell Greg I stole them out of his camera bag. But we're just, again, we'll thread it under here like this. And I had it a second ago. Also, I don't want to pull it apart, so I'm just being gentle with it. And then I'm going to pop this under here like so. Pop my cable tie on. Pull it nice and tight because it is going to go outside. And then I'm going to turn this around, and there you have it. There is your Minnie Mouse wreath. Now these are all wired, so you can bend her ears however you want them. This one I'm going to go just a little bit snugger with my cable tie in. And there we have, in fact I might add in a second, you can add another cable tie in here. This is the great thing. So this wreath has taken me less than 3 minutes really to make. Everything I bought pre-made, pre-done, really super simple and easy. And I'm just going to put that on there so she doesn't have droopy ears because Minnie does not have droopy ears. There we go. Chop that off. And there you have our Minnie Mouse wreath. Isn't she super cute? I hope you enjoyed it. As I say, don't forget to hit subscribe, ring the bell for tons of handmade holiday ideas. We also have a playlist with them all in. Pom-pom trees, Dr. Seuss, Harry Potter. We have you covered. And of course, some of the traditional ideas as well. So I'll see you again tomorrow for another tip, trick, tutorial, or maybe something a little bit different. See you then. And in the meantime, happy crafting. Bye.